everyone, this is PJ and you're watching Everything PJ. Thank you for watching my videos. Today is the third video for our Vlogmas series, and every time just before Christmas we get amazing deals. In Nykaa's pink box sale, I had ordered this, and this is my first luxury cosmetic purchase, and I am so excited to share this with you on camera. So let's open this package. This is what the box looks like. Look at how cozy this is being packed. Okay, this is really cozy. So this is a collaboration of Malvika Sitlani and Smashbox. There are two lipsticks, and this is a always on mini matte duo. These are mini lipsticks from Smashbox, and I was so excited to order this. For those of you who don't know, Malvika Sitlani is a really awesome beauty blogger. She's like acing the game. Her looks are so perfect that you can actually wear those looks on everyday basis, which is why I love her, because this is exclusively available on Nykaa for a very short period of time, and they get sold out like this. They get sold out so fast. So I was not able to buy it last year, but when this time Malvika announced that Smashbox and Malvika are again collaborating, and they are bringing out her two favorite shades. One is Driver Seat, which is I am really excited to try. I'm really excited to try Driver Seat, and the other shade is Babe Alert. So let's unbox this together. My first luxury purchase, you guys, and it's on camera, which is what makes me happy. This is what it is packed like. This is what the box looks like. It is packed like this. We open it up. It's wrapped in a butter paper, black butter paper. Oh wow. This is Driver Seat. This is a very, very warm color. They are minis, they are small, but I think they're gonna last us long because you don't have to keep on reapplying this kind of lipsticks, and these are matte lipsticks. And this is Babe Alert. Okay, let us do the swatches now. And firstly, I'm going to swatch Driver Seat because I bought this whole kit because of this one color, and I think it is going to suit me, but we'll see. It has a brush applicator, what we usually have. This is a really good shade, and I'm sure this is going to suit me. I am also going to swatch it on my lips, so stay tuned till the end of the video to see how this actually looks. This is a try on video. First I'm going to swatch it on my hands. Next we are going to swatch Babe Alert, which is a lighter pink shade. Can you see it? This is Babe Alert, and this is Driver's Seat. This is quite light. I'm not very sure about this color. We will try it on my lips and see if it suits me or not. Now they are not available on Nykaa, but you wait till next year. Hopefully they will again do a collaboration like me. Like I legit waited for a year to get this. Okay, we are putting on Driver's Seat. It looks really different on my lips and on my wrist. I don't think this suits me really well, but I can do away with it. I can probably lighten this, or I think this is showing off really different than what I expected. But or maybe because I'm not used to seeing myself in such color, we'll do away with it. Let's see how the other one performs. So we are swatching Babe Alert right now. You guys be the judge. It's like Barbie pink, but not fuchsia. That's it. It's a Barbie pink. So I don't have much to say about it. I'll let it dry for a bit and then we'll do the transfer test. It's not looking bad, but it's not the best either. I mean, I would never buy this shade if it wasn't for in this box. I would never buy this shade by myself. So now, the good points and the bad points of Malvika Sitlani's X Smashbox Mini Matte Duos. To buy or not to buy? So personally, the good points are it's very pigmented, it's transfer proof, almost transfer proof. There is a little very tiny, but you can do away with it. It's not transfer, it is transfer proof, and one swatch and you will be done. I think it's going to stay on longer. It's very comfortable to wear. It's super comfortable. My lips don't feel dry at all. I did not even moisturize it underneath, yet it's very comfortable to wear. You feel like you're wearing nothing, so you don't feel that stickiness which other lipsticks might have, other liquid lipsticks might have. So these are the good points. But the shade Driver Seat and Babe Alert, I am not sure of any of these shades. Firstly, because you have to wear a full face of makeup to rock these shades, okay? And I am kind of a person who just put on a lipstick, just put on the liner and move out of the house. So I'm not sure if I have the time to tone it down or anything. Otherwise it will pop so much and it might look odd to some people. It's not personally my taste. That's one. Second, Babe Alert, I was very skeptical of ordering this in the first place. I ordered it anyway because it's a duo, you cannot pick one, and 550 rupees for a Smashbox lipstick is like a deal. Is it to buy? I mean, if you're someone who's wearing makeup every day, do buy it. You can definitely work on with these lipsticks. They are really good, but the shade I'm not sure of. So now I'll go and remove this lipstick, probably take a picture or two and see how this works on camera, because Driver Seat looked really good on camera. I'm back. I removed that lipstick, so I have changes in my opinion. It looks good in pictures, and when we take videos it looks really flawless on those, but in real life, in proper light, it is way too bright and poppy. It really pops out and you have to do a full face of makeup to balance the color. Please think twice if you ever want to buy these shades. So that's my review about it, and I'll meet you in tomorrow's video. So stay tuned till then. Bye bye. Thank you for watching my videos. Do all the good stuff, like, share, comment, subscribe.